That was close.
That was way too freaking close.
That was like yesterday close, because we were 2 miles from it.
We need to find out, you need to get a hold of some of the other chasers and try to find out where it went and what all got damaged in the Woodlax area.
From what I'm seeing is going northeast in between McLeod and Bethel. So I don't know. I don't even know if Cleveland County had a warning, because Chance didn't. He said very high wind gusts, a lot of hail.
Really?
Yeah. Then we got the warning.
Okay,
so
it may have touched down in Woodlax or McLeod.
That's what I'm going to find out today. Going to go out and find out. About between 15 to 20 on the winds going northeast.
It's too dangerous to go that way right now, isn't it?
I could actually get closer. Don't want to though, because then that wind is going to start getting really fast.
What's the girl have to say on here?